औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. How are you all? I hope all of you doing well. Today I am going to teach you maths of prep class for the lecture number 6. First of all, you have to move at maths planner on Urdu workbook page number 12. Week 8, you have to mention date and day from first block of week 8 to last block of week 8. Now open maths book page number 30. Mention date and day on top of page. Our topic is subtraction 1 to 10. Subtract mean minus. When we subtract any number, then we cross subtract number or minus. It's mean, look here. Here we have 5 minus 3. We have 5 sharpener. We have to minus. We have to subtract 3 numbers. Here we have 5. We have to cross 3. 1, 2, 3. We have to cross 3. It's mean we have left 2. Answer is 2. Next one. Person is 4 minus 2. Here we have 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to cross 2 fish. We have to subtract 2 fish from 4. 1, 2. We have left 1, 2. 4 minus 2, our answer is 2. Next question is 5 minus 4. Here we have 5 trees. We have to cross 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have left 1. It's mean 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Next one, we have question is 6 minus 3. We have 6 orange and we have to cross 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the last one is 6. 1, 2, 3. We have to cross 3 or we are going to cross 3, remaining 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And the next question is 6 minus 4. Here we have 6 flowers. We have to cross 4. We have to subtract 4 from 6. We have to cross 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have left 2. It means 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Next one we have 7 bottles. We have to cross 2. We have to minus. It's mean here 7 minus 2. Minus mean cross. हम निकालना भी कह सकते हैं. माइनस मीन कोई चीज़ कम करना, माइनस करना, निकालना. 1, 2. Cross. We have to cross 2. 1, 2. We have left 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Our answer is 5. And the next question is 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 3. We have to cross 1. 1, 2. Our answer is 2. And the next one we have caps. 1, 2, 3. We have total 3 caps. We are going to cross 2. 1, 2. Our answer is 1. Okay. Next one we have leaves. Question क्या है हमारे पास 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have total 4 and we are going to subtract 3 from 4. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 1. And next one we have question is 4 minus 2. We have total 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. We are going to cross 2 apples. 1, 2. Remaining apples are 2. Our answer is 2. It's mean we have done page number 30. Now come to the next page number 31. Mention date and day on top of page. Subtraction on number line. subtraction on number line. We have already learned about addition on number line. Now today's our topic is subtraction on number line. Addition on number line we goes forward, but subtraction on number line we goes backward. Backward mean पीछे की तरफ, back. Subtraction on number line. This is our number line. It helps us to add and subtract. Ali has 6 toy jeeps and he gives 2 toy jeeps to his brother. Then he has 4 toy jeeps left with him. Here Ali says अली के पास 6 टॉय जीप्स हैं और 2 टॉय जीप्स उसने क्या किया, अपने भाई को दे दी. देन ही हैज़ 4 टॉय जीप्स लेफ्ट विद हिम, और उसके पास 4 टॉय जीप्स बच गई, रह गई. लुक हेयर, दिस वन इज़ नंबर लाइन 0 to 10. वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 6 minus 2. वी गोज़ बैकवर्ड. बैकवर्ड मीन पीछे की तरफ. This one is 6 and we goes backward. 1, 2. Our answer is 4. Next, when we subtract, we move to left on number line. Use number line to help you subtract. Question number 1. क्या है? 7 minus 1. This one is number line. We move to left. This one is side is right side and this one side is left side. We have to move left side. This one is side is left side. This one is 7. We have to move one number backward or one number move left. 7, 1. This one is 7. We have to move left one number 1. This one is 6. It's mean our answer is 6. Next question is 3 minus 1. This one number is 3 and we have to move one number backward. 1. Our answer is 2. And the next question is 9 minus 2. Where is 9? This one is 9. We have to move left 2 numbers. 1, 2. Our answer is 7. And the last question on this page is 4 minus 3. This one is 4. We have to move 3 number backward. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 1. Okay, we have done page number 13. Now turn the page. Page number 32. Mention date and day on top of page. Subtraction on number line. Here we have different questions on this page. Use number line to help you subtract. Question number 1. 4 minus 2. Where is 4? This one is 4. We have to move backward 2 numbers. This one is 4. 1, 2. Our answer is 4. When we subtract any number, then we goes backward or move left. This one side is left and this one side is right side. Next question is 5 minus 1. Where is 5? This one is 5. And one thing remember that we have to start from first digit. We have to start from first digit. This one is first digit 5. We have to move left one number 5. This one is 1, 1. Our answer is 4. And the next question is 7 minus 2. We have to start from first number. 7 is first number. This one is 7. We have to move 2 number left. 1, 2. Our answer is 5. And the next question is 6 minus 3. Where is 6? This one is 6 and 6 is first number. We start from 6 and goes backward 3 number. This one is 6. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 3. This one direction is left side. And when we goes this one direction, it's mean this direction is right side. And next question is 8 minus 6. Where is 8? This one is 8. We go 6 number left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 2. And the last question, and the next question is 10 minus 0. Here 10 minus 0, when we add or subtract any number, when we add or subtract 0 from any number, its mean number remains same. We have already learned about 0, concept of 0. When we add or subtract any number from 0, answer remains same. Its mean here 10 minus 0, answer remains same. And the next question is 4 minus 4. Where is 4? This one is 4, and we subtract 4 from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 0. And the next question is 7 minus 3. We start from first number and goes backward 3 number. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And the next question is 5 minus 3. 5 is first number and we move left 3 number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 2. And the last question is 9 minus 5. Where is 9? This one is 9. We move 4 number. No, we move 5 number left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 4. So we have done page number 32. Come to the next page number 33. Mention date and day on top of page. On this page our topic is add or subtract and then color. A number line will help you. यहाँ पर हमें एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. यहाँ पर हमने क्या करना है, जो हमें यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी गई है, जिन आंसर्स के साथ, जैसे कि हमें 5 आंसर में ग्रीन कलर करना है, 4 में ब्राउन, 6 में रेड, 3 में ग्रे कलर, 8 में ब्लू एंड 7 में येलो. हमने इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करते हुए अपने आंसर्स में हमने वो वाले कलर करने हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, where this one is 7, we move left 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 3. In 3 box, in 3 number, we have to color grey. And the next question is 3 plus 3. When we add any number on number line, then we goes forward. Then we move right side. This one is 3. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 6. And the next question is 4 plus 1. When we add any number, then we goes forward on number line. Where is 4? This one is 4. We add 1 number. It's mean here start 1. Our answer is 5. And the next question is answer is 5. In 5 block or 5 number, we have to color green. And the next question is 4 plus 3. Where is 4? This one is 4. 4 plus 3. We goes forward 3 number. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 7. In 7 digit, we have to color yellow. Next question is 2 plus 2. This one is 2. 1, 2. Answer is 4. In 4 digit, we have to color brown. And the next question is 10 minus 5. When we subtract any number, then we move left on number line. Where is 10? This one is 10. We move left 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. And the next question is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 1, 2. Answer is 5. Next question is 10 minus 3. We have to subtract 10. We have to subtract 7 from 10. Where is 10? This one is 10. We move left 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Our answer is 3. And the last question is 10 minus 3. We start from 10 and move 3 number left. 1, 2 and 3. Our answer is 7. So we have done this page. आपने क्या करना है, ये नीट एंड क्लीन क्वेश्चंस लिखने हैं आंसर, और जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस यहाँ पे दी हुई हैं उन्हीं को फॉलो करते हुए आपने इन ब्लॉक्स को कलर भी करना है, आंसर नंबर को कलर करना है. बी केयरफुल वाइल कलरिंग आंसर डिजिट्स. Okay, now turn the page. page number 34. Mention date and day on top of page. On this page our topic is what comes. What comes? Fill in the numbers that comes. हमने यहाँ पे वो नंबर्स फिल करने हैं जो आते हैं आफ्टर, बिटवीन और बिफोर. यानी कि हमने यहाँ पर ये बताना है कि किसी नंबर से आफ्टर क्या आता है, किसी दो नंबर्स के बिटवीन क्या आता है और किसी डिजिट के से बिफोर क्या आता है. ओके. व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 9. So we have to count. Let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10. What comes after 9? After 9, 10. What comes after 7? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. What comes after 7? 8. And the next is 5. What comes after 5? 1 2 3 4 5. What comes after 5? 6. Next, what comes after 0? After 0, what comes after 0? 1. Next, 0. What comes after 0? 1. What comes after 8? So we have to, let's start count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 2? 1 2 3. What comes after 2? 3. Next, what comes after 1? Let's count. 0 1 2. What comes after 1? 2. And the last is what comes after 4? What comes after 4? 5. Next, what comes between these numbers? What comes between 1 and 3? हम यहाँ पे हमारे लिए ज़्यादा इजी होगा कि हम स्टार्ट करें, काउंटिंग करें तो वो ज़्यादा इजीली हम कर सकते हैं कि जैसा कि 0 से स्टार्ट करके 10 तक जाएंगे. अगर हमने आफ्टर देखना है तो हम काउंट करके पता चल सकते हैं, और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में भी हम काउंट करके देख सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पर ये है कि व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 3, व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 1 and 3. लेट्स स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. 0 1 2 and 3. व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 1 and 3? 2. And what comes between 0 and 2? Let's count. Let's start counting. 0 1 2. What comes between 0 and 2? 1. And the next, what comes between 7 and 9? Between 7 and 9 is 8. And the next is what comes between 8 and 10? 9. And the next is what comes between 2 and 3? 2 and 4. In between 2 and 4 is 3. And the next is what comes between 7 and 5. यहाँ पर ये होगा कि बच्चे कहेंगे कि 7 और 5 कैसे. आपने लेफ्ट साइड से नहीं देखना, यहाँ पर आपने राइट साइड से देखना है कि यहाँ पर हमने राइट साइड से देखना है कैसे. 5 6 and 7 यहाँ से काउंट करना है. 5 6 and 7. What comes between 5 and 7? 6. What comes between 3 and 5? Between 3 and 5 is 4. What comes between 4 and 6? Between 4 and 6 is 5. So we have done this page. It was about today's lecture. You have to practice all these concepts with your parents and also write down on your notebooks. Inshallah, I will meet you in next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.